Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I'm showing you how to create production files for proof-approved screen print jobs. So first you're going to locate the proof-approved jobs, and we're going to take a look at it in Corebridge here. And real quick, we're just going to briefly look at the proof and just verify that the placements are the same graphics and the same size for both of these products, which they are, which means that we could just basically create one set of print files for both products. So next you're going to go to the farm, and then under CB orders, locate the order number for the job, then go into work files. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to find the proof approved working file. And so looking at the proof, these two match. So that is the approved one. More often than not, it will be the latest revision. So Rev 1, Rev 0. So Rev 1's approved. Double click it to open it in Illustrator. You can do a Control- to zoom out if necessary. And so what we're going to do now is we are going to go to Asset Export. And if that isn't showing for you, you could go to Windows, then click Asset Export, and that window will appear. So we're going to start with the left chest, and we're going to drag that up into the Asset Export window. Same with the full back. Now down here we've got this production naming file convention, which you could copy and paste after you selected it. And I just double clicked into it to select it all. And I found it's easier to, let me bump this up, click on this little button right here, launch the export for screens dialog. And you're going to make sure that both of these checkboxes are checked. And now we're going to paste in that naming convention. From here, you're going to select the beginning portion. This is going to be the order number and product. So we'll do 13221. Since both products share the same artwork, we don't need to do -1 and 2. If there were multiple products that did have different artwork, that's where you could specify which product it was for. So next we're going to do the placement. So we're going to do LC for left chest. And down here we have a legend of what the placements are. Next, we're going to replace these two X's, which is the width in inches. So on left chest, we can see right here that it's 3.25, but instead of doing the point, we're going to do a space. So 3 space 25. And then we're going to copy the client name and go ahead and paste that at the end under customer. Do a Control-A to select all, Control-C to copy, and just go ahead and click into the full back asset and do Control-V to paste. The LC becomes a FB for full back, and we're going to change the width to 11. So that's all set up. Next, what we're going to do is choose where it's exporting to by clicking the folder icon. And we're still in the correct order folder, but we don't want to save it to work files. We want to go back a folder and into production. Hit select, and now it's saving to the production folder. And you're going to make sure that you have PDF selected here. Next, hit export asset, continue, and you're going to see that our production files popped up here. There's one last step, and that's to drop in the proofs. So if you just tab over to the work files window that should be open, just go ahead and click on both approved proofs that you want to move over. So I'm just clicking one, holding Control and clicking the second one, and we're going to copy those. Don't just drag them over, leave them in the work file, and then right click and paste them in. So now this job is basically ready to go. All we need to do is add it to the purchasing spreadsheet and then move it into production. That'll be a separate video, so thanks for watching.